Thinking about a renovation but not sure where to start? Callbex Home Hardware Building Center is a participating home installs location, which means you get full support from the first idea to the final walkthrough. With home installs, you don't just get a contractor, you get a dedicated team that manages the entire project for you. At Callbex, that team is Bonnie, Martin, and Ian. They begin with a free consultation to understand your goals, your lifestyle, and your budget. From there, we create a detailed design plan complete with a 3D rendering so you can see your project before any work begins. Home installs takes the stress out of renovation planning. We handle measurements, material selection and delivery, permits, work schedules, installation and cleanup. Every installer is licensed, insured, and vetted, and all work is completed by professionals who respect your home and your family throughout the process. You'll receive a clear written proposal that outlines your design, your timeline, and your total project cost. When the work is complete, we walk through the finished space with you to make sure everything meets your expectations. All home installs projects include a 1-year labor warranty along with full manufacturer warranties on materials, giving you confidence long after the project is finished. Whether you're planning a kitchen, bathroom, basement, deck, shed, or a full home renovation, Home Installs delivers a streamlined process and results that fit your home and your budget. If you're ready to start your next project, visit us at Callbex Home Hardware Building Center and speak with our Home Installs team. We'll help bring your vision to life.